Good afternoon. It is a very beautiful day here in Morocco, guys. I am in a secret place. It's just right on the outskirts of Essaouira. Yes, today I'm going to be introducing a oil company here today, guys. The type of oil company is where they make all these block soaps, they make all these sort of oil, all sort of ingredients. Then we also, ladies, we will also show how you make everything from scratch, the machine that spins and make everything so nicely here. So this oil company, it's an oil company, guys, that you have lots of special soap, special cocoa butter cream that put on your skin that make your skin look so smooth. So I'm going to introduce you in this oil company. Thank you so much, guys, and please enjoy this video.
It takes in between 15 to 20 years to fully grow and gives us fruit. So the fruit starts green, then yellow, and when it becomes dry and brown, like this, we collect it before the goats eat it, and we start working with it. So, have you seen goats play on a tree to eat? Yeah? So if goats play on a tree, they eat the whole fruit plus the leaves and they throw out the nuts. For us, we don't use that kind of organ that was eaten by the goats because it's disgusting. Also, because if we make the oil out of it, it's not going to be healthy for us to consume, neither to apply on our skins. We prefer to do it manually so we can preserve the good quality. The first step is where the ladies peel the fruit and separate the shell from the nut. Please, come close so you can see better. The shell, we give it to the goats. They love it. Okay? As for the nut, we will break it to get a little seed inside. From it, we can make two types of the oil. The cosmetic and the edible. The difference between the two is the roasting process and the quantity. So we only need this part, this tiny part, to make the oil. All the trouble to get this one. Okay, so we can make two types, the cosmetic and the edible. The difference between the two is the roasting process and the quantity. For example, if we would like to make a liter of the edible, we need to roast the seeds. For the cosmetic, we don't roast. And these are good to stabilize cholesterol, diabetes, hypertension, plus they are rich in antioxidants.
I really like the way, you know, she talks about everything, you know, she's so professional, got her relaxed lifestyle here in Morocco. Yes, I love the Moroccan culture, where everything was literally started from scratch, you know, where everything was promoted from the land, it was preserved, everything was dig, everything was done naturally here. Natural oil for your skin, natural soap, cream that can do everything for you guys. High cholesterol, all these things, it helps a lot here.
But because they have a really bitter taste, we prefer to eat them in form of oil. For somebody who would like to try. If it was poisonous, I'm not responsible.
I'm dead. Oh, ambulance.
For the shell, we use it to make fire or to decorate, so here nothing goes to waste. We recycle everything. And for the last step, the ladies put the seeds in here, and she turns until she gets this brown liquid. When she will finish, she will take it, she will add warm water to it, and start mixing it with your hands for 2 hours until the paste will become hard and it will start to separate from the oil. Then she will take the paste and squeeze it to extract more oil. So this is the remaining paste, which looks like a giant chocolate cookie. From this one, we can make the Moroccan black soap that we used to peel in the hammam, or if we had a lot of it, we give it back to the goats. This is their favorite food. This is their treat.
Also known this place to also have beautiful flowers also at the front. You have a welcome, lots of different colors of flowers. You got the white, you got the red, all sorts of colors, you know, to make you feel so welcome. And then going straight inside. inside and to see all the different parts of this building where oil was produced, natural skin oil, seeds, everything is also good for your skin as well.
Okay, for the oil we take it, filter it, and we put it in bottles. Do you have any bottles? Are you sure? I'm lucky I have this today. You make my job easier today. Thank you. Yeah. So we will be passing to try our edible products, also to discover our cosmetic products, okay? Please, this way.
Et pour les horaires des femmes, il y a un groupe qui travaille l'après-midi.
Would you like a cup of tea without sugar?
Yes, please.
Raise your hands. I think everyone. Would you like one? Okay, we will class you with who don't want. Okay. So, in these 3 tagines, we have got our edible products. The first one is the oil for eating. The second one is something that we like to call Moroccan Nutella. It's a mixture of sweet almond roasted, honey and argan oil. The last one is honey from argan flowers, baked honey. You can take pieces of bread and dip separately. Please, feel free to try. In the meantime, I'll be giving you some information about each one of the tagines. For the oil, it is rich in vitamin A, vitamin E, B12, omega 3, 6 and 9. We use it mainly to season with it, and we don't cook it or heat it so it doesn't lose its values. You can keep it for 1 year, maybe 1 year and a half if you put it in the fridge. The second one is the best substitute of Nutella because it doesn't contain any palm oil or any preservatives. Plus it is very energetic if you have it in the morning. The last one, which is honey, serves as a natural antibiotic. Plus it is good for the problem of sore throat and stomach ache. You can find the 3 edible products here, and we have got them also in small. Please, feel free to try. Don't feel shy.
Can I try?
Please. Feel shy to try.
I'm not shy, I'm not.
I'm shy.
This is all.
Yeah.
And this is
Moroccan, Amlou, a Moroccan Nutella spolage. A mix of almond,
with
honey and argan oil. So for the cosmetic argan oil, it works. This one works for everything, for hair, face and body, mainly to nutrition, to moisturize the skin. It contains high levels of vitamin E, so it is good to reduce the appearance of aging marks on your skin. It is anti-eczema and psoriasis and Asian marks. Yes.
The name of this place, guys, called Marjana. I just consent. Yes, to reveal the name is Marjana. It's this place where they're doing everything here, guys. And yes, I'm going to put all the link down in the description for this video as well, guys. Yes, I got the card in my hand. It was given to me as well. Yes, the owner, so I do get consent as well because it's meant to be a secret place. But it is okay for tourists to come here. I will put the link down in the description for the tour guide, guys. Still getting trying to fit.
And plus it serves like the best anti-hair loss product, okay? You can find it here, and we've got it small and big. We have it also neutral and perfume. So we have it with eucalyptus, musk, amber, vanilla, lemon. So please gather around the table here. I'll be explaining the cosmetic products that we have got, and you can have a look around. Maybe if you would like to buy anything, please gather around me here. So, we have got shampoos, after shampoos with 40% of argan oil without sulfate or paraben, treatments against hair loss and to stimulate the growth of hair. So we have got these 2. So, this combo goes together. This one you use it twice a week, 2 hours before shower, and this one is every day. And you don't rinse it out. This one is made for lazy people, okay? If you don't like to wash your hair more often, this one is good. we have got an eye contour for the puffness and the darkness under the eye with cactus oil and argan oil, creams for eczema and psoriasis, and creams for dry hands and dry feet with mint and lemon, and face creams. I'm gonna give you to try this one with prickly pear oil and argan oil. This one is good for pigmentation, dark spots, old scars, also to nutrition to moisturize the skin. It contains 30 SPF, plus it is an anti-aging cream. There you go.
Okay.
To make you much younger, this one.
Oh, is it? Oh.
Minus 10 years.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Minus
Like
10
magic.
years, so that means I become 30, 35, is it?
Well, this one works. We have got soaps for sensitive skin and baby skin. The soap that we use to exfoliate in the hammam. And we have got body lotions. So I'll be giving you to try this one with gardenia. No, with jasmine. This one is good for sunburns and to moisturize the skin. So you can have a look around. Maybe if you would like to buy anything to encourage us, the prices are in dirhams and you can pay with credit card, euros, dirhams. And I'll be here to assist. In case any help was needed, I'll be here. Also, if you would like to try our products, they are right here on the table. And we have a special offer on the essential oils. So if you took 3 different perfumes, it's going to be minus 50%. Thank you so much.
I really hope you did really enjoy that oil company. So you see, everything guys comes so naturally from that company, you know. I really love it, guys. I tried everything. It was so amazing, you know. I really like the black soap, guys. You know, the black soap was good. That is what makes your skin come smooth, and also if you're going to get any sunburn or anything like that as well, guys, you know. Yeah, but thank you so much guys for watching. Always like, subscribe, and also share the video around, and also check out the Map 4K World Tour as well guys, as his name up here on the stream. I'm going to put his link down into the description. Thank you so much for watching here guys. You know, signing out here from the beautiful land of the precious of Morocco.